Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the SDC Psb560-62 end cap kit with screws for the Psb560, which is their shore exit sense bar. A sense bar is an item, to the casual observer, it's an exit device. And it is an exit device in the sense that it will certainly permit egress. A touch sense style bar is that when you touch it, you are opening the circuit, generally to an electromagnetic lock. No moving parts. Well, there's, I guess at some level there are moving parts, but no moving parts. And that's what this does. And those are very common items used in those applications because there could be a need for magnetic locks. That's what is called out. But you still need a code-compliant way by which to provide egress, and a touch sense bar does that. This is a replacement set of end caps. These are die-cast zinc would be my guess. Yeah, they don't tell us, but this is the end cap set for both sides of the device. And the reason that end caps are purchased is because they get damaged. A door is opened at 90 degrees, the mail carrier comes in, the delivery driver comes in, the carts come in and smack the end of the caps. These are definitely die-cast zinc and are quite robust in that regard, meaning they're not plastic, so replacing them could be a few and far between sort of endeavor. The advantage of the cap could also be with greater scrutiny from egress door assembly inspectors and authorities having jurisdiction. You don't have a fire-rated assembly if you do not have a label on the hardware, so that may have been vandalized and removed. You might need that label attached there for satisfaction of local code. These two caps absolutely appear to be identical in every regard. Let's take a dimension. Overall height, about 2 3/4. Overall depth, about 1 7/8 inches. What would be the bar assembly, about 1 9/16 inches, as you can see. You're going to have the screws that are going to be necessary to get the unit not only attached to the case itself, but to the mounting brackets that would certainly be required. Okay, 4 screws that you're not ever going to see, and then 2 others that you will. Okay, those ones that you will see will go up top. Now, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the SDC products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. I can tell you that I am incredibly partial to SDC, and that's because of how exceptional they are when it comes to total mastery of the subject matter, willingness to help and to teach, absolute desire to make sure that you're pleased with everything that they sell you, and the way that they conduct themselves makes me only wish I could sell more electrified hardware. They have a simple structure laid out. The format of their catalog is easy to understand, and they are a very comprehensive provider of both quite simple material, like a touch sense bar, relatively simple, all the way up to very sophisticated, or I should say more involved, complete total systems that might be an interlock or a set of trap doors, or where you need to time multiple doors to open only after the prior door has closed, if you might think of a very specialized application like what would be seen in the CDC, the Center for Disease Control. Highly specialized requirements. SDC is the company that you can absolutely rely on for that. So if you're looking for electrified hardware, take a good look at them. They've got a great product, and certainly what would be considered the best tech support around, and certainly other people. I put it this way: I've never heard anyone have any other opinion of them. Any questions on the SDC Psb560-62 end cap kit for both ends of the TouchSense Psb560 bar or any other SDC product? Please feel free to reach out to us, and thank you.